So let's say you've just installed your brand new copy of Windows 11 and it feels very foreign to you. So let's say you want to make it a bit more familiar. We should just be able to right click on the taskbar, go to taskbar settings, and we will just remove a few things. We'll remove search, task view, widgets, chat. As you see, it's changed a bit down here. Scroll down. Taskbar behavior. So we want to go to here, when this computer lets me, and we want to go alignment to the left. As you can see there, we're now over to the left, and if you don't use the Microsoft Store, remove the icon. File Explorer, don't use Edge, remove Edge. There you go, and that should hopefully make your Windows 11 experience a little bit more familiar. I'll catch you guys later.